Hardly had the teacher entered the classroom than the student stood up. Hardly had the teacher entered the classroom when the student stood up. Hardly is followed by when in the second sentence. No sooner had the teacher entered the classroom when all the students stood up. No sooner had the teacher entered the classroom than all the students stood up. No sooner is followed by than. The patient was accompanied with his friend. The patient was accompanied by his friend. Accompanied by is the correct structure. Mr. Ravi has passed his MA in 2012. Mr. Ravi passed his MA in 2012.
The year 2012 indicates past time, so simple past tense must be used.
Indians love to play the football. Indians love to play football. Article: the is not required when we talk about sports and games generally.